Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. I am Ahmadullah Hassan, Senior Teacher, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Dear student, I have already discussed about the basic concept of exercise 11.1 of your general math. Today, I will discuss about some important problems of this chapter. So take your book, open your book, page number 216 of your general math. So let's start our topic. Problem 8 of 2b, solve a plus x minus root over a square minus x square divided by a plus x plus root over a square minus x square equal to b by x, where 2a is greater than b is greater than 0 and x not equal to 0. This is the condition of this problem. So let's start our solution. A plus x minus root over a square minus x square divided by a plus x plus root over a square minus x square equal to b by x. Dear student, look, a plus x minus root over a square minus x square and a plus x plus root over a square minus x square are same term but opposite sign. So if we simplify this line, it will must be apply the law of componendo and dividendo. So look here, a plus x minus root over a square minus x, here is numerator, a plus x plus root over a square minus x square, this is denominator. So the law of componendo and dividendo is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator plus denominator in both sides of this equation. So look, a plus x minus root over a square minus x square, this is numerator, plus a plus x plus root over a square minus x square, this is denominator. So numerator plus denominator, here is, this is numerator, this is numerator, this is denominator. Okay, divided by numerator minus denominator, a plus x minus root over a square minus x square, this is numerator, this is numerator, and minus of denominator, minus of denominator, a minus x minus root over a square minus x square. If we multiply, here is denominator, if we multiply minus, then we can write minus and plus, this is minus plus, this is minus and plus, this is minus. So numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus of denominator. I think you are understood this line. Okay, equal to b plus x divided by b minus x. Here b is numerator and x is denominator. So numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Look, minus root over a square minus x square and plus root over a square minus x square are vanish, and plus a minus x and plus x minus x are vanish. So we can write a plus a, this equal to 2a, plus x this equal to plus 2x. Okay, divided by here minus root over a square minus x square, minus root over a square minus x square, this is two term are same, so minus 2 root over a square minus x square equal to b plus x divided by b minus x. Now taking 2 from numerator, so a plus x divided by minus 2 into root over a square minus x square, 2 upon 2 cancel. Okay, so we can write a plus x divided by minus root over a square minus x square equal to b plus x divided by b minus x. If we find the value of x of this equation, so it must be cancel the square term of left hand side of this equation. So we squaring both sides of this equation. Look, a plus x whole square divided by minus and root over is cancelled for squaring. So we can write a square minus x square equal to b plus x whole square divided by b plus x divided by b minus x whole square. Both side squaring of this equation. Okay. Here a plus x, that means a plus b whole square. The formula of a plus b whole square. So we can write a square plus x square plus 2ax divided by a square minus x square equal to b square plus 2bx plus x square divided by b square plus x square minus 2bx. Okay. Here look, the right side of this equation, b square plus 2bx plus x square divided by b square plus x square minus 2bx. Here the same term but opposite sign of plus 2bx minus 2bx. So we are applying the formula of componendo and dividendo. Again we are applying the formula of componendo and dividendo. Here look, a square plus x square plus 2ax is numerator and a square minus x square is denominator. So numerator plus denominator, a square plus x square plus 2ax plus a square minus x square divided by a square plus x square plus 2ax minus of denominator. If we multiply the minus, then plus and minus is minus, and minus and plus is minus and minus is plus. So numerator minus denominator part. Okay, I think you are understood this line. Here numerator plus denominator, here is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. If we multiply this minus, plus and minus is minus, minus and plus is minus, and minus is plus. So numerator minus of denominator. Okay. Now cancel a square minus x square, a square minus a square. So we can write a square plus a square, that means 2a square plus 2ax plus 2ax divided by x square, adding x square and x square, this is 2x square plus 2ax equal to 2bx minus 2bx cancel. So we can write b square plus b square, that means 2b square, x square plus x square, that means 2x square divided by 2bx plus 2bx divided by 4bx. Okay. So taking common 2a from this two term, so taking 2a, this is a plus x plus common 2x from this two term, 2x into a plus x equal to taking common 2 in from numerator part, 2 into b square plus x square, and we are writing this denominator part 2 into 2bx. So 2 upon 2 cancel and 2 upon 2 cancel. A plus x, x plus x, that means a plus x upon x plus x is cancelled. So we can write a by x equal to b square plus x square divided by 2bx. Now we cross multiply this equation, x into b square plus x square, that means x b square plus x cube equal to, then cross multiply 2bx. Now we can write x into b square plus x square minus 2bx, because if we because if we write this term in left side, then it will be change the sign. So x, if we common x from these three term, so b square plus x square minus 2ba equal to 0. Now we can write b square plus x square minus 2ba equal to 0 when x not equal to 0. Here the condition x not equal to 0. If we use this condition, then we can write b square plus x square minus 2ab equal to 0. I think you are understood this line. Okay, now we can write x square equal to 2bx minus b square. So x equal to plus minus root over 2ab minus b square. Okay, now we can write x equal to plus minus root over, now taking common from this two term b, then we can write plus minus root over b into 2a minus b. Look here, 2a is positive sign, here 2a is positive sign and b is negative sign. Here 2a is positive sign and b is negative sign. So 2a is greater than b. 2a is greater than b. So we can write x equal to plus minus root over b into 2a minus b. This is the this line satisfy this condition. 2a is greater than b is greater than 0. So you can write 2a is greater than b is greater than 0. Therefore the solution is x equal to plus minus root over b into 2a minus b. This is answer of this equation. I think you are understood this solution of this question. Dear student, this is problem number 10. This is problem number 10. If x equal to 4ab divided by a plus b, then show that x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a equal to x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2 when a not equal to b. So let's start our solution. Given that if x equal to 4ab divided by a plus b, so x equal to 4ab divided by a plus b. Now we can write x equal to 2a into 2b. This is so if we multiply 2a into 2b, it remains 4ab. So we can write 2a into 2b divided by a plus b. Look, x divided by 2a equal to 2b divided by a plus b. If we multiply 2a into 2b, then it remains 2a into 2b, that means 4ab. So we can write x divided by 2a equal to 2b divided by a plus b. This is the equation number 1. And x divided by 2b equal to 2a divided by a plus b. So if we multiply 2b into 2a, it remains 4ab. So we can write x divided by 2b equal to 2a divided by a plus b, taking equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we have x divided by 2a equal to 2b divided by a plus b. X divided by 2a equal to 2b divided by a plus b. Now using the formula of componendo and dividendo, we have here is numerator and 2a is denominator. So numerator plus denominator, x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a, numerator minus denominator. This equal to 2b is numerator plus denominator plus a plus b divided by 2b. This is numerator part minus of denominator. If we multiply minus, then plus and minus is minus, and plus and minus is minus. So this is the formula of numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Okay, here 2b and b, this is 3b plus a divided by b minus b equal to b minus a. Now we taking the equation number 3, and again from equation 2 we have x divided by 2b equal to 2a divided by a plus b. Now by component and dividend we have x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2a plus b, numerator plus denominator, divided by numerator minus denominator. Minus, here if we multiply minus, plus and minus is minus, plus and minus is minus, so numerator minus denominator. Now we can write x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2a plus a, this is 3a plus b, a minus a, this is a minus b. So x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 3a plus b divided by a minus b. We taking the equation number 4. Now adding equation 3 and 4, we have here equation number 3 and equation 4. So x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 3a plus b divided by b minus a, 3a plus b divided by b minus a. And equation 4, x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b, this value is 3a plus b divided by a minus b, 3a plus b divided by a minus b. Now taking minus from this part, minus, if we common minus, then we can write a minus b plus 3a plus b divided by a minus b. Now taking LCM of this a minus minus a minus b and minus a minus b, then we can write a minus b is LCM of this denominator part of two expression. So we can write a minus b is LCM. Now minus of 3b plus a plus 3b plus 3a plus b. Now multiply by minus 3b minus a plus 3a plus b divided by a minus b. Look, minus 3a minus a, 3a minus a, we can write 2a, and minus 3b plus b, we can write minus 2b divided by a minus b. Now common 2 from numerator part, so taking common 2, we can write a minus b, and a minus b upon a minus b vanish, this equal to 2, where a not equal to b, because if we put a equal to b, look, if we put a equal to b, then this term 0 by 0 form, so it is undefined, so it must be a not equal to b. I think you are understood this condition. Okay, so therefore a plus 2a divided by a minus 2a plus, sorry, x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2 should. This is problem number 12. This is problem number 12. If x equal to root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b divided by root over 2a plus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b, then show that 3b x square minus 4a x plus 3b equal to 0. So let's start our solution. Given that x equal to root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b divided by root over 2a plus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b. Now we are applying the formula of componendo and dividendo. We can write x divided by 1 equal to root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b divided by 2a root over 2a plus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b. So x is numerator, 1 is denominator. 1 is denominator. So numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Now right hand side, here root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b. This is numerator part, and root over 2a plus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b, this is denominator part. So numerator plus denominator divided by numerator root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b, this is numerator, minus denominator minus. If we multiply minus, then plus and minus sign, this is minus, and minus is plus. This is the law of componendo and dividendo. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Okay, now plus root over 2a minus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b are cancelled, and root over 2a plus 3b and minus root over 2a plus 3b is cancelled. So we can write 2 into root over 2a plus 3b, because root over 2a plus 3b and plus root over 2a plus 3b are same term. So 2 into root over 2a plus 3b divided by 2 into root over 2a minus 3b, because root over 2a plus minus 3b and root over 2a minus 3b are same term. Now 2 upon 2 cancel. So now we can write x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to root over 2a plus 3b divided by root over 2a minus 3b. If we solve this equation, so then we squaring both sides of this equation for removing the square term of right hand side. So squaring both sides, we have a plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square, that means x square plus 2x plus 1, and x minus 1 whole square, that means x square minus 2x plus 1. And if we square this term, then we can write 2a plus 3b divided by 2a minus 3b. Square and root is removed. Square and root are removed. Okay. Now look, x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 2a plus 3a divided by 2a minus 3b. Again we applying the formula of numerator, componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo, that is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Okay, so numerator x square plus 2x plus 1 plus denominator x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by numerator x square plus 2x plus 1 minus denominator minus and plus, this is minus, minus and minus, this is plus, minus and plus, this is minus. So numerator minus of denominator, minus of denominator. Okay, minus of denominator equal to numerator 2a plus 3b plus denominator 2a minus 3b, and numerator 2a plus 3b minus denominator minus and minus, minus 2a minus and minus, this is plus 3b. So numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator in both sides. This is the law of componendo and dividendo. So plus plus 2x minus 2x are cancelled, x square and minus x square cancel, 1 and minus 1 is cancelled. So we can write x square plus x square, this is 2x square, 1 plus 1, this is 2. So 2x square plus 2 divided by 2x plus 2x, this is 4x, and 2a plus 2a equal to 4a, and 3b plus 3b, this is 6b. So 4a divided by 6b. Now taking common 2 from numerator and denominator part, numerator part. So 2 into x square plus 1 divided by 2 into 2x. We can write 4x, this is 2 into 2x, equal to, if we divide 2 numerator and denominator, so we can write 2a divided by 3b, and 2 upon 2 cancel, so we can write x square plus 1 divided by 2x equal to 2a divided by 3b. Now we cross multiplying this and this, so we can write 3b into x square plus 1 equal to 4ax. Now we can multiply 3b this term, 3b x square plus 3b equal to 4ax. Now we can write 3b x square minus 4ax plus 3b equal to 0. This is our solution. So should. Dear student, this is 13 number problems. If a square plus b square divided by b square plus c square equal to a plus b whole square divided by b plus c whole square, then show that a, b, c are continued proportion. You know the equation is continued proportion when b square equal to ac. ABC, it will be continued proportion when b square equal to ac. So we shall prove that this solution is equal to b square equal to ac. So now start our solution. Given that b square plus a square plus b square divided by b square plus c square equal to a plus b whole square divided by b plus c whole square. Now we can write by using alternando. A square plus b square divided by b plus a plus b whole square equal to b square plus c square divided by b plus c whole square. It is alternando because the interchange of b square plus c square and a plus b whole square in this term. Okay, so we can write a square plus b square divided by a plus b whole square equal to b square plus c square divided by b plus c whole square using alternando. Okay, again by invertendo, interchange this ratio and interchange this ratio. So we can write a plus b whole square divided by a square plus b square, and this equal to b plus c whole square divided by b square plus c square. This is invertendo in this ratio. So this is a plus b whole square, so we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by a square plus b square equal to b plus c whole square. This is b square plus c square plus 2bc divided by b square plus c square. Look here, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by a square plus b square. If we using the formula of dividendo, then b square minus a square minus b square are cancelled, will be cancelled, and b square plus c square will be cancelled. So this line is simplified by using dividendo formula. Okay, so a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square, only numerator minus denominator, applying the law of dividendo, divided by a square plus b square, and this equal to b square plus c square plus 2bc minus b square minus c square divided by b square plus c square. Numerator minus denominator. divided by denominator. So a square minus a square cancel, b square minus b square cancel, and b square minus b square cancel, c square minus c square cancel. Then we can write 2ab divided by a square plus b square and 2bc divided by b square plus c square. Here we can write 2b into a and 2b into c. So 2b and 2b are cancelled. So we can write a by a square plus b square equal to c by b square plus c square. Now we multiply, cross multiply this and this. So we can write a into b square plus c square equal to c into a square plus b square. Now multiply a, this term, a b square plus a c square equal to c a square plus c b square. Now we can write a b square minus b c square equal to a c a square minus a c square. Okay. Now we take common b square in this two term, b square into a in a minus c, and we take common ac. Now we can write a minus c. A minus c are cancelled both side. Okay. Now we can write b square equal to ac. Again we write b into b equal to a into c. Now b by c and a by b. So b by c equal to a by b. Again we write a by b equal to b by c, and a is to b equal to b is to c. This is, c is the third quantity of a and b is the second quantity of a and c. So this is the continued proportion of this equation. So hence a, b, c are continued proportion should. Given that the problem number 16, if a plus b minus c divided by a plus b equal to b plus c minus a divided by b plus c equal to c plus a minus b divided by c plus a, and a plus b plus c is not equal to 0, then prove that a equal to b equal to c. Now let's start our solution. Given that a plus b minus c divided by a plus b equal to b plus c minus a divided by b plus c plus c plus a minus b by c plus a. Okay. Now look, a plus b minus c divided by a plus b, and b plus c minus a divided by b plus c, c plus a minus b divided by c plus a. If we simplify this line, then I will only using the formula of dividendo, because if we use the formula of dividendo, my b, a and b are cancelled. Look, numerator a plus b minus c is numerator minus denominator. So minus and plus, minus and plus is minus, and plus is minus, and minus is plus is minus. So numerator minus denominator divided by denominator equal to numerator b plus c minus a minus denominator minus, plus and minus is minus, plus and minus is minus. So numerator minus denominator, and this numerator minus denominator divided by denominator. Now we cancel a minus a, b minus b, plus b minus b, plus c minus c, plus c minus c, plus a minus a. Now we can write minus c by a plus b equal to minus a by b plus c equal to b by c plus a. Now we cancel minus from each term, then we can write c by a plus b equal to a by b plus c equal to b by c plus a, and we can write by invertendo. This ratio is interchange numerator part and denominator part, so we can write a plus b by c equal to b plus c by a equal to c plus a by b. this is the formula of invertendo. Now we can write, we can see that a plus b divided by c, b plus c divided by a, c plus a divided by b. If we use the formula of dividendo, then we can write numerator plus denominator. Numerator, here a plus b is numerator and c is denominator, so we can write a plus b by c divided by c, numerator plus denominator, the law of componendo. And numerator plus denominator, numerator plus denominator divided by denominator plus equal to numerator plus denominator divided by denominator. So we can write a plus b plus c divided by c equal to a plus b plus c divided by a equal to a plus b plus c divided by b. Now dividing by a plus b plus c in each term, then we can write 1 by c equal to 1 by a equal to 1 by b, where a plus b plus c is not equal to 0, and we are using the formula of invertendo. Then we can write c by 1, a by 1, b by 1, that means c equal to a equal to b. So we can write a equal to b equal to c. Proved our given equation. I think you are understood this math. So now end our topic. Okay, assalamu alaikum.